This is my drawing of Jack Skellington, and today I'm going to guide you through each and every step so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the bottom edge of the brow. Let's leave a gap in the center. We're going to start with the left side. We're going to start by curving this down and then out. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. It's almost like drawing a J. And then back over to the left side, we're going to curve the eye, going up, go all the way out, and just curl that down on the end. Do the exact same thing on the right, just blending this into a curve and then coming down. Now I'm going to tuck two large ovals underneath the eyelid. So on the left, we're going to step in to create a fold. Just come all the way down towards the bottom, round out the eye, and just tuck that up underneath the brow along the bottom of this curve. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height, go all the way around, and then we'll just tuck that in. Let's add a fold underneath the eyes. From the inside, it's going to bend this down and then out on either side. Let's move to the center and draw two small ovals, coming down an angle and then back up for the nostrils. And we'll fill the nostrils in black. Now in the center, just up above the nostrils, we're going to add a fold. We're going to go up and then down. Now I switch to a thick black mark and fill the inside of the eyes. Let's enhance the thickness of the brow with another curve. So from this point, we're going to step up, then it's up, and then out. From the outside of the eyes, let's step out and draw the top half of the head. So we're going to start back on the left. Let's curve this up, and then bend that in, round out the head, come across towards the right, and then just pull that down towards the same height. Now the head's going to be a little bit wider across the bottom, so let's start back on the left. Round this out, come in towards the bottom, go across towards the right. So we're going to go out wider, round this out, and then pull that up. Now in this area, we're going to draw in the mouth. Let's start back on the left. We're going to bend this up and then down. Let's round out the side of the mouth and then just curl that up towards the side of the head. Let's add those stitch lines going across the mouth. Starting on the left, draw these short lines going all the way across. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the neck. We need a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this in and then down. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now we want to connect the ends with a curve going up and then down. Now we're going to draw that bat in the center. So starting on the left side, bend this up and then out towards the tips of the ears. Go back to the left side, bend this down. Just going to bend this back in towards the middle. Do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add in the eyes. On the left, bend this up and out. Same thing on the right. And we'll draw the bottom of the eye, coming down and in the opposite direction. Now we're going to draw the outside of the tie. Let's start on the left side of the bat head, bend this up, go all the way out to the outside tip, and do the exact same thing on the right. Now there's a total of 4 spines that come out. So let's start back on the left, bend this up and then out. I'm going to start to aim these down. I'm going to add one more, stepping down towards the bottom. Now we're going to add some thickness around each spine. Let's start from the top left. We're going to taper this so it gets wider as we come back in. Let's go back up to the left. We're going to come in. Now you want to round this out, go out, and then down towards that second spine. Now we're going to continue to add those going all the way down towards the bottom. Again, just rounding out the inside, coming up towards the tip. And then finally, I'm just going to tuck this up underneath. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Jack Skellington. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.